are still here at the cultural center. It's heating up. Exotic is still here. They're about to do a fashion show. We are still here, so if you're not doing anything, stop by. We're here till 9:30. This is the view with everything happening over there. What?
Right. We got the piece.
Okay. We're still here. This is Exotic's Corner today. We changed things up a bit. And this is what's going on. They're getting ready for the fashion show. I'll show you guys the front of Exotic. This is where we are today. They're getting ready for the fashion show. Everybody's here already. The girls are getting ready. It's the little Haiti Cultural Center. You can see everybody's ready. There's some dignitaries, some stars and some people. They're waiting for the others to sit. But that's who's here so far. It bends across. Jasmine is across. We're still all here. And this is what it looks like. Exotic is there.